Hello and welcome viewers. Today I'm here in the Dubai. I'm near Obeba metro station. A beautiful place here for shopping, eating and historical places here. So I will take you to the historical places, museums, everything. So be with us and let's enjoy. It's assembly point to people, tourists coming here for enjoyment, refreshment. Nice view here. That's the Shindagha Square. It's very good historical. Famous civilization. Here is the Sheikh Khalifa house, old historical. A good view. Garden also here. So this is the good view from here. Nice view, nice location. It's very good. All the old houses, different. Nice view. Let's look old houses here. Everyone come here to enjoy. Nice view here. Old time doors. Old culture, civilization, and nice view here. People visit here from far to see the old culture, civilization. Nice streets. Just imagine that we are 100 years before. Very good and nice. Old culture, old civilization, and nice to enjoy. Old streets in the old times still exist here. Here is some cafeterias. Also a beautiful view. The camel is here. You will enjoy definitely. Nice view. Again another street. Very good view from here. Old culture, old civilization. Garden here. Also an old time statue here. It's an art design here. A lot of tourists coming here. It's a garden. Tourists coming from far. Very beautiful places and historical. whole street, houses here, different views. All places look like very relaxing. The streets, same old time, still exist here. Don't know where to go, how to go. Outside the road, let's go. Nice view, location. It's Literature Foundation, Emirates. Here is the mosque and a gathering place. This cafeteria here. Nice evening time. So it's final our today vlog. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Thank you.